Howdy friends, welcome back to the House of Tone. My name is Wes Lee. I'm a professional band instrument repair technician. I started a YouTube channel to show what my life is like in the trades. I appreciate you coming by the shop today. Today we're going to be jumping back into our final part on the super cool Adolph Saxhorn. We got a lot of complicated stuff today. We are going to be repairing the split in the bell rim and to see if we can get the solder to go and flow through all of the cracks. So that's going to be a little bit of a trick to get that done, but I'm confident. I've been practicing for a while and been making junkers and putting them back together. So I feel pretty confident about it. Then we have some leaks to find on the rest. Remember, it failed the magnehelic test. So we're going to run that test again. We're going to find where the leaks are. We're going to close that stuff up. Then we're going to give it a good silver wash, and then we'll polish it, put it all back together. And if all goes well by the end of this video, we're going to give this thing a play test. I'm so excited because it did not play before at all. So since we last visited, I got the tail crook dents out. Since we have a lot of videos on that, I didn't film all that. Now we're going to be addressing the bell rim. I believe that this bell ring was added after the fact, after the bell was made. I don't know how they were manufactured, but that's just my guess. It does seem to have a line that runs all the way around, but it's cracked there. It looks like someone has tried to deal with it before, but it's come back undone. We made this fixture, and it's going to act as a clamp so that basically it's got these fingers that are going to push and hold everything in place. Dress all around the inside of the rim. Use my solder scraper here. I used a white solder that has a higher tensile strength, so that the problem from the real soft solder that they used last time didn't hold right. So we're going to make it where they're not going to have this problem again. Got a good penetration on my solder with those fingers to hold this down. I was able to get the solder to run all the way back across to this. Now I can put the profile back in it. Nice. I'm really pleased with the way this came out. Now I'm going to buff this area and get it ready to do some touch-up silver plating. So this is where the big bell split was. We've got that repaired, got it buffed, degreased. We're going to go, it looks like it's blended into the silver plating here, but it is, I did take that down to brass And so we're going to spot plate this area, and then it will blend in. And I went ahead and polished out the bells. This is, you can start to see what this horn is going to look like when it comes back together. Straight and let it draw. Blowing bubbles. That's leaking there. So we know we've got a leak there. We've got the stopper in the bell. Kind of push that in and pull it here. That's a lot better than what we had before. I can hear it blowing by the pistons a little bit. That's par for the course with a horn that is this old. Let's polish it. We've got the two different mouth pipes to try out. Let's see what we got. Wow, so that's a big difference from when I first played it and couldn't really get any notes to sound. That's pretty cool. A little curly Q pipe. Well, that's cool. Well, all right, friends. How about that? That's really cool. I am thrilled with the way this plays and the way this turned out. It's been a long time coming, but the payoff is just beautiful. Just beautiful. We took this thing that was just basically a wall hanger and turned it back into a beautiful instrument from Mr. Collyer. Absolutely amazing. I'm so happy with the way this turned out. From fixing the valves from flying away to the custom washers that we sanded, for the top to all the dents, to repairing the bell. I'm really pleased with it. Really pleased. It's beautiful. So I appreciate y'all stopping by the shop today and hanging out with me and seeing all the work that's getting done. We'll see you next time down the road. We appreciate you, everybody. Thank you very much for the support. This is Wes Lee, signing out.